A very important global trend, which is more relevant to commerce, is the complete solutions. That is, a comprehensive solution for organizing bathrooms. Whereas previously it was common for brands to collaborate in order to create these shared conceptual solutions, nowadays everyone, in a good way, tries to pull the blanket over to their own side and draw clients and designers into their own universe. Bathrooms have long since ceased to be purely utilitarian sanitary spaces. They're now designed according to the principles of residential interiors. And of course, certain solutions, including materials, are also migrating from living spaces into the humid environment of bathrooms. This year, Devon&Devon is presenting an entire collection of wallpapers. 4 series are dedicated to floristry, botany, and natural motifs. These are Nouveau, Flow, Herbarium, and Coquillage. The second part of the collection is dedicated to textures, the very unusual Eco, Fromage, and the Versilia stripes. These wallpapers can be produced on 2 bases, vinyl and fiberglass. The latter are suitable for direct contact with water. Each series also comes in several color options, ranging from more restrained black and white or 2-tone versions to bright and more expressive ones. And since Devon&Devon also works quite actively within a classical aesthetic, the wallpapers are also offered in a boiserie version. The first area is called Timeless Icons, meaning icons beyond time. Here, against a backdrop of Nouveau wallpaper with boiserie in a sage shade, an iconic furniture composition called Seasons has been installed. In the center, we see a bath. And although the silhouette is certainly recognizable, this is the Dracot bath, the update here lies precisely in its size. Now, it is the smallest bath in the range of cast iron baths by Devon&Devon, measuring only 156 centimeters in length. In the corner, the elegant shower enclosure has been installed, and here the update lies in the use of modern technologies. An adjustable profile, modern hinges, and also a magnetic seal. In the neoclassical and American Art Deco area, we have the Salone bath, made from the white Tech Plus material. This is a material that holds a green certificate and is perfectly suited for hospitality venues. The Salone is accompanied by the Liberty furniture composition. We became acquainted with it last season, and this season it is presented in a very understated finish. The black fronts have a matte surface, while the handles and both the lower and upper trim are finished in gloss. The perfect backdrop for this composition is provided by the Nouveau wallpaper, which is inspired by the aesthetics of European Art Nouveau. The regal bath embodies the aesthetic of an English manor house. This is a very large bath, measuring 1.80 meters in length. Its distinctive feature is the polished metal finish on the exterior. It is accompanied by a double Madison console with Coventry mixes. English classic style without excessive decorative details. The L'Etoile medium console is a solution for small but not ultra-compact bathrooms. In this case, it is presented in a bronze finish, with the mixer also in the same finish. The composition is complemented by a papillon mirror, lighting fixtures and accessories, the metal parts of which are also finished in bronze. The meeting areas are decorated with the Versilia wallpaper. Versilia is a resort on the Tuscan coast, and these stripes were inspired by the beach cabins set up along the shore. The lighting fixtures in this case are from the Allure collection. Moreover, this model can be installed both on the wall and on the ceiling. On the wall, in the Dolce Vita Hollywood area, we see a very striking, highly expressive coquillage wallpaper pattern. For the shower area, this wallpaper is produced on a fiberglass base. In other words, this wallpaper is not afraid of direct contact with water and is also highly resistant to wear. The Savoy shower door features a very elegant matte bronze finish. The luxurious Hollywood bathtub is made from white Tech Plus, a material that is not only environmentally friendly, but also very easy to maintain and repair. A perfect solution for hotel projects. Complete in this Hollywood look is the Kent Furniture Ensemble, finished in black lacquer and featuring light gold fittings. Above, there's the Chateau mirrored cabinet. A very practical solution if you need a bit more storage space. And all the Cavendish accessories, as well as the Bacchus heated towel rail, are finished in a light gold shade. And completing this luxurious Dolce Vita look is the famous Zelda dressing table, a unique piece for the bathroom industry. I really like this refined, creamy shade of glossy lacquer, combined with the fittings in a nickel finish. And in this room, there is a solution designed for luxury hotels or exclusive private villas. In the center is the 30s bathtub, designed by Pierre-Yves Rochon. The double freestanding wash basin, finished in ceramic granite, is also by the French maestro. The swivel mirrors are mounted on vertical columns. On the right and left are towel holders. The taps are from the 20s collection. This in turn is the work of the American architectural studio Gensa. The shower area and the WC are concealed in separate niches, and here a very interesting and clever solution is demonstrated. The shower door can serve not only as a shower door, but also as the door to the WC itself. Inside, both niches are finished with wallpaper from the Tramage collection in a sandy shade. Naturally, in the wet area, it is based on fiberglass.